Nissan Connect services provided by SiriusXM. The all-new Connected Services program featuring vehicle security, monitoring and remote services leads the list of new available connected technologies offered with the all-new 2016 Nissan Maxima. Every 2016 Maxima also includes standard Nissan Connect infotainment features, providing access to online searches. 3 available levels of connectivity, including 6 months no-cost trial subscription of the entire suite of Premium Plus features, developed in coordination with Nissan Research Center Silicon Valley. Nissan's Connect Services program set out to launch with all-new Nissan Maxima in summer 2015. 4 additional Nissan vehicles to offer Nissan Connect SM services program later this calendar year.